Hello! Hi, I'm Splash. And today, we're learning something super important. Why we wash our hands.
Even when our hands look clean, tiny invisible germs can still be there.
Germs love to stick to our hands after we touch things. Oh!
They come from toys, door handles, teeth, and everything we touch.
And when we touch our face, germs can sneak inside our body.
That's not good. Germs can make us feel sick.
But don't worry, there's a super simple solution. Hey!
Water helps us start the cleaning magic. First, wet your hands with clean water.
Next, add soap. This is where the real cleaning begins.
Rub your hands together to make lots of foamy bubbles.
Scrub every part. Palms, fingers, everything.
Don't forget between your fingers. Germs hide there too. And your thumbs need cleaning too. Let's wash our hands. Even the back of your hands matters. Germs can hide under your nails, so scrub carefully. Now rinse it all away with clean water.
Look, clean hands? No more germs.
Germs are gone. Bye-bye, tiny troublemakers.
Clean hands help keep you and others healthy. It stops germs from spreading to people around you.
Washing hands is a small habit with big superpowers.
Wash before eating, after playing, and after the bathroom.
Stay clean, stay safe. From Splash and Bloop Town.
Like, share, and subscribe if you want to learn more from Splash and Bloop Town.